So here's how you can make PayPal money on Temu. It's actually really easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, then be sure to subscribe to the channel as it really helps me out. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu account. And then once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and click on the U button. Oh, let's get rid of that. Click on the U button on the bottom. Now you want to scroll down a little bit and then click on settings. And then, of course, if you haven't made an account already, at the very top, there will be an option for you that says sign in/register. Go ahead and click on that, and then you want to register and create a brand new account. Now, once you have made an account, you want to set your country and region to the United States. So go ahead and click on that. And once that has been set as the United States, you also want to make sure and double check that your currency is set as USD as well. So once all those things has been done, you have a new account or just an existing account, and your country and region is US as well as your currency is USD. We're going to go back into this U page now. And then now you're going to find this option that says earn credits and free gifts. So go ahead and click on that. So Temu actually offers you a bunch of different offers for you to play and basically win a lot of rewards. They have free gifts for you. They have cash reward, which is like PayPal money. And then they also have credit, meaning they can spend money on whatever you want inside of Temu. So you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want to do. But for this video, we're doing PayPal money. So you can actually see there's two different types of PayPal monies. There's cash reward and redeem cash. So if you're actually from the United States, then redeem cash would be better. But if you're from anywhere other than the United States, you could probably make a little bit more money with cash reward. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on cash reward. So once you are logged into the cash reward or whatever game that you're playing, as you can see, we have currently $79, and then in order to cash out, we have to have $21, get it to $100, and right over here on the left hand side, it says you get $20 cash to your PayPal account and then $80 in coupons for your next purchase on Temu. Now, in order to get the $79 up to $100, you have to refer people on Temu, and then once you refer someone, then that number will go up. So in orange at the bottom, it says invite to get tokens. So click on invite to get tokens. And then now, as you can see at the very bottom, it says copy link or copy code. If someone enters in your code in the search bar, then you're going to get a referral. Or if someone opens using your link, you also get a referral. It's up to you how you want to promote it. But I prefer, generally speaking, to use link because people don't have to hassle about putting in any codes. So just click on copy link and then send that to whoever you want, to your family member, to your friends, on any social media platforms. Just get people to click on that link, and that way you can cash out PayPal money over to your PayPal account.